Hello, I'm Nick with All Access, and today we will be installing Outlook on your phone and configuring it. To start, we'll need to open the App Store. Once the App Store is opened, just search for Outlook. The app's name will be Microsoft Outlook. Once you've found it, just download it. Once it's downloaded, open the app. Once the app loads, click Get Started. The next step is to log in. Just enter your email address. After that's done, you will need to enter your password. Depending on where you work, this may be the password that you use to log into your computer, but it may not be. The correct password is the password you use to sign into your email. After your account has been added, all you will have to do is skip through the setup and you will be able to access your inbox.